Lisa, we need a new car.
I agree. Our old car is too small.
Yes, and it breaks down often.
How much money do we have?
I checked, we can spend $20,000.
That sounds good. What type do you want?
I like SUVs, they are spacious.
I like them too. They have good safety ratings.
Let's go look at some this weekend.
Great! Do you have a brand in mind?
I heard good things about Toyota.
Toyota is reliable. What model?
The RAV4 looks nice.
That's a popular choice. Let's test drive it.
Good idea. We should also check Honda.
They have a good model too.
The CR-V is nice.
Yes, it has a lot of space.
What color do you want?
I like blue or red.
Blue is pretty, red is bold.
Let's see what they have in stock.
I will call the dealer tomorrow.
Ask about their offers and promotions.
I will. We should also check financing.
Yes, we need to know monthly payments.
I can use my calculator for that.
Good. We should stay in budget.
I agree. Let's make a list of questions.
It's like a plan. I'm excited.